Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me introduce myself to you. My name Nugisan Putra. Okay guys, in here I will presentation the research that I have created with the title Community Participation in Waste Management in Sukaramai Village. Next, agenda style. Number 1, research theories. Number 2, research methods. Number 3, general description of the area. And number 4, facts and analysis. Next, research theories. Waste definition. According WHO, waste is something that is not used, disliked, or something that is thrown away from human activities and does not happen by itself. Source of waste: housing, commercial, institutional, construction and demolitions, urban public facilities, treatment plant location, and industry. Next, waste management concept. Waste management is a systematic, comprehensive, and sustainable activity which includes waste reduction and handling. Number 1, reuse. Reusing material or materials to then turn into waste. Number 2, reduce. Namely, effort to reduce waste generation in the source environment and can even be done before the waste is generated. And number 3, recycle, which means recycling a material that is no longer used into other material or new items after going through the processing process. Next, definition of community participation. Community participation in community participation or active involvement both morally and materially, working together in achieving common goal with involve individual interest. Number 1, direct participation. Direct participation means that the community members also provide energy assistance in the activity carried out. Number 2, indirect participation. Indirect participation can be in the form of contribution of the thought, funding, and material needed, namely participation in waste management by paying solid waste service fees. While the definition of community participation relates to regional and urban planning in the video format is as follows. Source: YouTube about community participation. Please watch the video.
What is community participation? Enthusiasts and professionals together take initiatives and gather the community to include them in the planning process. Professionals with a deep and concrete background research host meetings to understand and discuss over the issues and aspirations of the residents. Treating the community's contribution and participation as a design tool, a people's plan is made to revive their socio-cultural and economic aspects. Through participatory approach, suggestions of the community are considered, and together, the plan is taken forward. Taking forward the people's plan to the government officials for approval. The combined efforts of the community, the professionals, and the government leads to a successful plan. A plan of the people, by the people, for the people comes into action. What will be this people's plan? It will be a plan made by involving the Gautankars in the process of decision making while planning the neighborhood. It will involve chalking out of priorities of the Gauten. Everyday specific requirements of the community will be converted into design rather than only face value beautification projects by the BMC. The plan would have options for Gautenkars with a strategy for phase-wise development with respect to the needs of the Gauten. A team elected by the Gautenkars will be formed. The implementation of this people's plan would be supervised by this team from time to time. Thus, this plan will cater to the needs, aspirations and issues of the Gautenkars and hence be known as a successful people's plan.
Next, factor affecting community in waste management. Number 1. Level of education. The higher the knowledge possessed by the community regarding waste management, the higher the level of community participation. Number 2. Knowledge. Public knowledge about waste management will determine the level of community participation in managing waste to keep the environment clean. Number 3. Perception. People who have the perception that a clean environment is important will tend to participate in maintaining a clean environment. Then number 4. Income. Income derived from community hard work affect the level of participation in waste management. Next, public perception of waste management. Perception is one of the psychological aspects that is important for humans in responding to the presence of various aspects and symptoms around them. Perception is a response directly from something and is the process of a person know several things through their five senses. Number 1. Internal factor. Internal factors are factors that are contained within the individual, such as gender, age difference, education level, and knowledge level. Number 2. External factor. External factors are factors that come from the outside environment that affect a person's perception, such as the social culture, interaction between individuals, and communication media where a person aborts information about something. Next, research method. The data analysis technique used is multiple linear regression analysis technique using SPSS. This analysis is used to examine the effect of understanding, willingness, and income of the community simultaneously or partially on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai village. Multilinear regression can be stated as follows. Next, general description of the area. Sukaramai village is a definitive village resulting from the division of the main village, namely Sinama Nenek village in 2002. In Sukaramai village has an area of 6.750 hektar, which consists of state land, plantation, agriculture, and trades. The distance between Sukaramai village and the sub-district capital is 15 kilometers, and the distance between Sukaramai village and the capital of Kampar Regency is about 40 kilometers by crossing the road. Next, facts and analysis. Table 1. Recapitulation of the result of the research instrument validity test. It can be seen from Table 1. that all research instruments used to measure the variable of community participation, public understanding, community willingness, and community income are valid because they have a correlation coefficient R 0.30 and a signification value. Table 2 recapitulation of the research instrument reliability test. Table 2 show that all latent variables used in the study are reliable because they have a Cronbach alpha value greater than 0.6. Next, result of the partial regression coefficient significance test. Test the effect of community understanding at X1 on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. Understanding of the community partial has a positive and significant effect and on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. The coefficient value of the public understanding variable is 0.3. This means that there is a direct relationship between public understanding and community participation. If public understanding increases, community participation will also increase. Number 2. Partial test of the influence of community will X2 on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. The willingness of the community partial has a positive and significant effect on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. The coefficient value of the public willingness variable is 0.3. This means that there is a direct relationship between the will of the community and community participation. If the people's will increase, then community participation will also increase. Number 3. Partial test of the effect of community income X3 on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. Community income partial has a positive and significant effect on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. The coefficient value of the community income variable is 0.2. This means that if people income increase, community participation will also increase. This means that there is a direct relationship between community income and community participation. Next, conclusion. From the result of research and discussion, the following conclusion can be drawn. Number 1. Understanding, willingness, and community income simulation have a significant effect on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. And number 2, understanding, willingness, and community income partial have a positive and significant effect on community participation in waste management in Sukaramai Village. And next, I'm sorry for the English pronunciation error when I explained earlier, because here I am still in the learning process. Thank you.